Okay, well, as you know, we've been having internet problems. Verizon says they solved our problems today with the the bandwidth, which they may have, but my iPhone is still disconnecting from Denise's laptop randomly. I don't think there's anything wrong with the iPhone either. So, we got a dedicated hotspot. Here it is. From AT&T, business plan, non-throttled, unlimited. So, let's check it out. So here's the device, Nighthawk 5G Hotspot Pro. I think it's got a cable or, of course, Wi-Fi. Here's what it looks like. And on the back, I think the battery goes in there. Looks like it's got a space for a cable here and electric to charge, I'm guessing. This looks like just the battery cover in here. And then the battery itself is in here. This looks like a charging block and a charging cable. And they don't give you an Ethernet cable. But I'm probably going to have to go get a router, if you've been following my videos, for my own custom setup, which will do load balancing between Wi-Fi and cabled connection to a router, and then broadcast it out to our devices, so we can use both AT&T and Verizon unlimited wireless. And their strengths, only their strengths, not their weaknesses. It's got a 5040 milliamp battery. Here's all the instructions if you want to read them about what the lights are. The battery, SIM card, turning it on, mobile hotspot. Turns out my SIM card's already in there from AT&T. We put the battery in, the cover. Cover just kind of snaps into place like that with some clips in the back, and it's on. So to set it up, it says push and hold the power button for 2 seconds. There we go. And customize your mobile hotspot settings. Maybe it's just, we gotta wait. Yep, still waiting. Okay, there we go.